What if I told you that a humble, often overlooked weed growing by the roadside, something you might walk past every day, could actually hold the key to transforming your health? Imagine discovering that a plant you've probably never given a second thought to, one that's been quietly thriving in the cracks and corners of your neighborhood, could be a secret superfood. This isn't some rare, expensive superfood flown in from the other side of the world. It's chicory, a plant with striking blue flowers that you've likely seen growing wild, yet never realized its potential. Chicory is as accessible as it is beautiful, and its story is just beginning to be told. For generations, chicory was the unsung hero in kitchens across the globe. During tough times, resourceful grandmothers would blend roasted chicory root with coffee beans, stretching their precious supply and creating a rich, flavorful drink. This tradition wasn't just about saving money, it was about making the most of what nature provided. Today, scientists are uncovering what those grandmothers may have sensed all along. Chicory root is loaded with powerful compounds, like inulin, a prebiotic fiber, that can help regulate blood sugar, support a healthy gut, boost your immune system, and even show promise in fighting certain types of cancer. The more we study chicory, the more impressive its benefits become. Modern research is finally catching up to the wisdom of traditional medicine, which has valued chicory for centuries. Ancient healers used it for everything from digestive issues to liver health, and now, clinical studies are beginning to validate these age-old remedies. Chicory isn't just a caffeine-free coffee alternative, it's a nutritional powerhouse hiding in plain sight. Whether you're looking to cut back on caffeine or simply add more nutrients to your diet, chicory offers a delicious and healthful option. Imagine a single natural ingredient that could help strengthen your body's defenses, support your digestion, and contribute to your overall well-being, all at once. Chicory root has the potential to do just that, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. That's the promise of chicory root, a simple plant with extraordinary benefits waiting to be rediscovered. While it's true that no single food can solve all your health problems, some stand out for their exceptional nutritional value. Chicory is quickly earning its place among the world's most impressive superfoods. In this video, we'll break down the science, explore the latest studies, and show you practical ways to incorporate chicory into your daily routine. You'll learn how this humble root can become a powerful tool in your health arsenal, supporting your body from the inside out. It's time to forget what you thought you knew about chicory. This isn't just an old-fashioned coffee substitute. It's a modern superfood with benefits that go far beyond your morning cup. Let's put the evidence to the test together. We'll dive into the research, try out some recipes, and see firsthand what this remarkable plant can really do for your health. By the end of this journey, you'll see chicory in a whole new light, not just as a coffee imposter, but as a true nutritional powerhouse ready to earn its place in your life. So, what is chicory? At first glance, it might look like just another wild plant growing by the roadside, but there's much more to this humble root than meets the eye. Chicory has quietly woven itself into the fabric of human history, nutrition, and even medicine. It's a perennial herb in the dandelion family, easily recognized by its striking bright blue flowers that bloom in the morning and close as the sun sets. These blossoms not only add a splash of color to fields and gardens, but also signal the presence of a plant with a rich story and remarkable properties. While its leaves, like radicchio and Belgian endive, are edible and often enjoyed in salads for their slightly bitter, refreshing taste, the real star is the root. This unassuming, knobby root is where chicory's true magic lies. This tough, fibrous taproot is carefully harvested, then dried, roasted, and ground to create the famous coffee substitute. But it's not just about flavor. This process unlocks a treasure trove of health benefits, making chicory root a staple in both kitchens and herbal medicine cabinets. Chicory's history stretches back thousands of years, from ancient Egypt, where it was prized for its ability to purify the liver and support digestion, to 19th century Europe, where it became a beloved coffee stand-in during times of scarcity and war. Its resilience and versatility have made it a trusted companion through the ages. Its reputation as poor man's coffee has long overshadowed its true value. Yet beneath this humble label lies a root with a wealth of nutritional and medicinal potential, waiting to be rediscovered. The secret lies in its chemistry. Chicory root is one of the richest natural sources of inulin, a unique soluble fiber that our bodies can't digest. Instead of being absorbed, inulin travels to the gut, where it becomes food for our beneficial bacteria. This prebiotic action helps nourish and support a thriving gut microbiome, which is the foundation for many of chicory's health benefits. A healthy gut can influence everything from digestion and immunity to mood and energy levels. Beyond inulin, chicory root contains sesquiterpene lactones, compounds responsible for its signature bitterness and notable anti-inflammatory effects. It's also packed with polyphenols and flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that help protect our cells from damage and support overall wellness. This unique blend of fibers, antioxidants, and plant compounds makes chicory root a complex, multifaceted medicinal food valued by herbalists and nutritionists alike. It works on numerous systems in the body, offering a holistic approach to health. From supporting digestion and liver function to boosting immunity and reducing inflammation, chicory root's benefits are truly wide-ranging. Chicory is more than a simple carbohydrate. It's a nutritional powerhouse from the ground up, packed with compounds that can help us thrive in today's fast-paced world. So, how do these remarkable compounds translate into real, tangible health benefits? Let's take a closer look at what chicory root can do for your body and well-being. One of the most exciting discoveries about chicory is its remarkable impact on blood sugar control and the management of type 2 diabetes. For centuries, chicory has been used in traditional medicine, but only recently have scientists begun to uncover the true extent of its benefits for metabolic health. The secret lies in inulin fiber, a unique prebiotic found abundantly in chicory root. Unlike refined carbohydrates, which can cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, inulin is digested slowly. This helps stabilize glucose levels throughout the day and can even prevent the development of insulin resistance, a key factor in diabetes. But chicory's benefits go even further. Recent studies reveal that its natural compounds not only help muscle cells absorb glucose more efficiently, but may also influence hormones like insulin and GLP-1, which play crucial roles in blood sugar regulation. This means chicory could support your body's ability to manage sugar at multiple levels. For people living with diabetes, or those hoping to prevent it, chicory could be a powerful, natural tool to add to your daily routine. It's not just about lowering numbers, it's about supporting your body's overall metabolic health. Incorporating chicory into your diet is surprisingly easy. Try swapping your morning coffee for roasted chicory root, or blend it with your regular brew for a rich, earthy flavor and added health benefits. Inulin powder, often derived from chicory, can be stirred into smoothies, oatmeal, or even a glass of water for a daily fiber boost. This simple addition can help you feel fuller for longer and support healthy digestion as well. While chicory isn't a cure for diabetes, it's a practical, evidence-based way to support healthy blood sugar levels. It fits seamlessly into a balanced lifestyle and can be enjoyed by people of all ages. For those with prediabetes or diabetes, adding chicory to a plant-based diet is a smart, proactive step. Its versatility means you can enjoy it roasted, raw, or as a supplement. Chicory truly embodies the idea of food as medicine, simple, natural, and highly effective for supporting your health. With the global diabetes epidemic on the rise, this humble root is more relevant than ever. Its benefits are backed by science and embraced by health professionals worldwide. Harness the power of chicory to help keep your blood sugar in check, support your well-being, and take a proactive step toward a healthier future. Your immune system needs the right support to function at its best, and chicory may be a key ally. Chicory's inulin acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut, where much of your immune system resides. A healthy gut microbiome strengthens your immune defenses and helps regulate inflammation. Chicory's bitter compounds, like sesquiterpene lactones, also have anti-inflammatory effects, freeing up your immune system to fight real threats. Studies suggest chicory extracts can directly influence immune cells, making them more effective at identifying and eliminating invaders. Consistent consumption, whether as a drink, powder, or salad green, provides a steady supply of these immunomodulatory compounds. Think of it as daily training for your immune system, building resilience over time. Instead of reacting to illness, chicory helps you proactively strengthen your defenses. A daily cup of chicory tea or coffee could be a simple ritual with big immune benefits. No single food can prevent or cure cancer, but chicory shows promise as part of a cancer-protective diet. Its polyphenols, flavonoids, and inulin create an environment less hospitable to cancer cells thanks to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Lab studies show chicory extracts can trigger apoptosis, programmed cell death, in certain cancer cells. Inulin fermentation in the colon produces butyrate, a compound that protects colon cells and may reduce cancer risk. Animal studies support chicory's protective effects, especially against colon cancer. While more human research is needed, the evidence is compelling. Adding chicory to your diet, through salads, drinks, or inulin powder, can help shift the odds in your favor. It's a simple, practical step for anyone seeking an anti-cancer lifestyle. Consistent intake of plant fibers like chicory is a cornerstone of cancer prevention. Make chicory a regular part of your plate for long-term protection. Every day, our bodies face damage from free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and accelerate aging. Chicory root is loaded with antioxidants, especially polyphenols and flavonoids, which neutralize these harmful molecules. Studies show chicory can boost antioxidant enzymes and protect organs like the liver from oxidative damage. By reducing oxidative stress, chicory helps your organs function better and may slow cellular aging. The bitter, roasted flavor of chicory signals its potent antioxidant content. Enjoy it as a coffee alternative, or add fresh chicory greens to your salads for a daily dose of protection. Consistency is key. Make antioxidant-rich foods like chicory a regular part of your meals. Give your body an internal shield against the stresses of modern life. Chicory has a long history as a natural remedy for intestinal parasites, thanks to its bitter sesquiterpene lactones. These compounds can paralyze and expel certain worms, offering a gentler alternative to harsh chemical treatments. Research in livestock shows chicory reduces parasite loads, sparking interest in its potential for humans. Regular consumption may help maintain a clean, healthy gut environment. Think of it as weeding your internal garden. You don't need a diagnosed infection to benefit. Chicory supports intestinal hygiene for everyone. Add bitter greens like radicchio and endive, or chicory root tea to your routine. This ancient plant offers a multi-layered defense system for your body. Chicory's benefits go beyond nutrition. They help protect you from age-old threats. Chicory's greatest strength may be its role as a prebiotic, food for your beneficial gut bacteria. Its inulin content sparks a feeding frenzy among good microbes, crowding out harmful bacteria and supporting digestion, immunity, and even mental health. The fermentation of inulin produces short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. A healthy gut is the foundation of overall health, and prebiotics like chicory are the building blocks. To nurture your gut, eat more prebiotic-rich foods. Chicory is an all-star. Enjoy roasted chicory drinks, add inulin powder to meals, or eat chicory greens. Start with small amounts to let your microbiome adjust. Consistently feeding your inner garden with chicory cultivates a healthier you. The benefits ripple throughout your body, from digestion to immunity and beyond. Make chicory a daily habit for lasting gut health. Ready to try chicory? The easiest way is roasted and ground chicory root. Brew it like coffee for a rich, toasty flavor. Mix it with your regular coffee to reduce caffeine and boost health benefits. Don't overlook the leaves. Radicchio and Belgian endive add color, crunch, and nutrition to salads or can be grilled for a savory twist. Chicory root fiber, inulin powder, is another versatile option. Stir it into smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt for a fiber boost. It's also great for baking, adding moisture and a touch of sweetness to recipes. If you find whole chicory root, roast it like other root vegetables for a unique side dish. Experiment to find your favorite ways to enjoy chicory: raw, cooked, or brewed. The key is variety and consistency. Whether you drink it, eat it raw, or cook with it, chicory fits easily into any routine. Start small and build up as your taste and gut adjust. Chicory's versatility makes it easy to reap its many benefits. Make it a staple in your kitchen for better health. Remember, this information is for education, not medical advice. Consult your doctor before making major dietary changes, especially if you have allergies, health conditions, or take medications. Chicory is generally safe, but some people may be sensitive, especially those allergic to related plants. Introduce chicory gradually to avoid digestive discomfort. While research is promising, most studies are small or preliminary. More human trials are needed. Chicory is a powerful tool, but works best as part of a diverse, plant-rich diet. Build your health one meal at a time, with chicory as a valuable addition. Chicory's story reminds us that powerful health solutions are often found in the most ordinary plants. From blood sugar control to immune support and gut health, chicory proves itself a true superfood. It's a call to look closer at the foods we eat and embrace the wisdom of nature. Every meal is a chance to nourish, protect, and strengthen your body. Adding chicory is a simple, evidence-based step toward proactive wellness. Let this be the start of your exploration into plant-based nutrition. There's a world of health-promoting plants waiting to be discovered. Your health is your greatest asset. Be its best steward. See chicory not as a weed, but as a powerful ally on your journey to health. Take this knowledge, put it into practice, and let your body thank you.